caravan.
I'm in there. Okay. Fuck. Wait. How long we got to hold it for? How long we got to hold it for, Joe? How long we got to hold it for? 10 minutes. What's happened there? Don't worry about it. 10 minutes. We've got to hold it for 10 minutes. Right. I don't know if I fucked that up. No, it's there. Ah, it's there. Don't worry about it. Right. Behind the second towers, behind the second tyres. Right. Slowly. How did you shoot my feet? Look forward. Look that way. Look on that. Look forward, Miss Mally. Look forward.
What?
Look forward. Look that way. Look that way.
Look on to your left side to watch it.
Gotcha.
Respawn.
Go in there.
No, you've got to go respawn.
No.
Gary's now coming back.
Come on, Gary!
Gary, hurry up!
Look that way, look at the window.
Slowly go.
I'm behind you.
Hey, go straight.
Okay. Fun to it.
One behind the second tyres. Two behind the second tyres. One with the AK.
Gary, Bodie's run that way. Like, straight ahead of me. This way.
That's a lot of beef. Right, look out the window then. Just keep that way. Make sure they don't come get. Gary, there's two up behind the second round, alright?
I can't shoot through that.
You can. Bigger than me. Open window. Watch this hole.
Change it.
Look under.
I can't see any time.
Why did it close? Why did it close?
We're in the caravan.
Who's that side, Gary? Oh.
Someone open that hole.
Is anyone on the other side?
They're behind the towers.
Who's that on the other side?
What, Matt?
Who's that? Who's that?
Where?
Where there?
Who's up behind the caravan?
There's literally someone there. Yeah, because that is.
Don't run and get it. Good.
What?
Can I open it now?
Yeah.
This one?
Man, he's down. Yeah. Oh, look.
There's two behind them towers, so watch it. Slug man and two towers.
See him, he's still behind the second tower. Still behind the second tyres! Behind the second tyres! Behind the second tyres, it! Behind the second tyres! Fuck. Gary!
I'm coming! What's the score?
Where you at, Gary?
Behind you.
Right, we got one to where the
One.
building is on the left, and one behind the second tyres.
One behind the tyres is gone.
And there's one up to the second building, I think. You know the building on the left? See it?
Blues, how's it looking on the right?
Right down.
They're down, I'm going round. They're coming around that way.
1 minute, guys.
So literally, Jonathan, when you get the smoke, just lodge it in here.
Yeah.
Right,
Joe?
hang on, pen. Hang on. This bomb can be activated!
Whoa! Yep.
Right, mate. You're right. Gary, you're right.
Yeah. I can't see him. He's done.
Yeah.
Yep.
Gary.
That fucking sniper dude is right over, just over there.
Hey. Gary and Jonathan that way.
Yeah, okay.
Is that the prison there? That building just there?
The swing door right there.
Right. Yeah. Oh, fucking idiot. That fucking ghillie suit here is, I'm sure it's fucking like a shield.
He's got a plate carrier, I think, underneath him.
A plate carrier underneath it?
Yeah.
Hit! To the face, wasn't it?
Oh, right in the neck.
Was it?
Yep. Gotta go back to respawn now.
Yeah.
Oh, that was good.
A blue's in,
I think I just got a ricochet, but I'm not too sure.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, man! Good kill!
Blue's in!
Oh, that's right next to you.
We're in, Jonathan!
There's still someone in
What side? What side?
Their base side!
Right.
There's someone in that building, so watch it.
I can't check them through.
Only I've seen that one.
Just keep an eye on the swipe.
Yeah.
Why aren't they covering our left hand side?
Look that way, look that way.
He didn't. One just got around the left hand side.
Left hand side.
No, he's gone now, but one just got round.
The bomb is now activated!
Go for it. Can we?
Do it.
No. Can we light it then, Joe?
Yeah,
Light it.
Light it, quick.
Where is that?
There.
Fucking
I
light
think he
it.
just got shot. Hit! Fuck me.
Hit.
Hit! Shite.
This is it.